Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's by Alexandrus, guys, and today we are back again with another video, guys. Today we are reviewing DarkLume Metaverse, which is a world of entertainment and fantasy in virtual reality, guys. So not only we have a Metaverse project, so well, obviously we have a pre-sale as well. So yeah, I hope that you will be interested in tuning in. Before we start with the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into the video, guys. So DarkLume, guys, really as early as it gets, guys. This project is brand new. As you can see, they have 7,000 followers on their Twitter and 10,000 members on their Telegram. They are pretty fresh. And basically, they look really promising. That's why I decided to go ahead and review them. First things first, guys, I wanted to tell you that they are fully audited by Consult. And the great thing about this audit is the fact that there is absolutely no issues. As you can see, it was a fully manual audit. Zero issues, guys, which is very rare, because usually, you know, they can find at least something which then the projects usually fix. But for DarkLume, they haven't found a single issue within the contract. Okay, that's within the contract, obviously, but it looks very promising here. So they have no ability to mint more tokens, they have no ability to blacklist, no ability that it can be a honeypot, no ability of high selling fees, and well, it is enabled for trading. So that's how it looks like from the technical and security point of view. And now we can dive into the website, because that's where they keep all their informations regarding the project itself, regarding the metaverse and what they offer. And they have some competitive features that I really liked about them, and that's basically why I decided to review them, guys. So let's jump right into it. First of all, we can see some partners as well as some medias where they have been mentioned, and then we jump right into the pre-sale, which has just started, guys. It's brand new pre-sale, fully fresh one, and they are currently in stage 1. You can purchase with almost everything. As you can see, you have Ethereum, Matic, BNB, USDT, card, so you have all of that. You need to go under KYC if you buy with card. That makes total sense, but you also have crypto, obviously. So you select your payment method here. They even have Solana, which is pretty cool, and then you choose how much you wanna basically buy. So currently one DarkLume, guys, it is super cheap, as you can see, 0.0005. okay, here the listing price will be 0.0015, and then the next price, which is the next stage price, I assume, is basically higher by 20%. So technically, the earlier you go in, the better price you get, right? So let's say you want to jump in with one Solana here. It can give you 310,738 DarkLume, okay? So that's 155 bucks. That's currently how much one Solana costs. It will be easier, I think, if we go with USDT. It's easier to calculate. But essentially, one USD is 2,000 DarkLume. So let's say you want to jump in with, I don't know, 700. That will give you 1.4 million. Right, 1.4 million, yeah, 1.4 million DarkLume. So this is how it looks like. Then you connect your wallet, you can basically buy, and you accept the transaction on MetaMask. That's how you get it. So it's really simple process when it comes to the pre-sale. They have raised only 34,000 so far. The first target is 2 million, and this will probably start filling up really fast, because, as I said, this is brand new, guys. They're just getting started. So let's finally jump into the vision and mission, because that's what we are here for the utility and all of that, and the competitive features that I told you about. So the mission is, as you can see, to create a dynamic and immersive metaverse where DarkLume can engage in a variety of activities, connect with like-minded individuals, and experience the epitome of luxury and sophistication. The vision is to redefine the concept of luxury living and entertainment in the digital realm, catering exclusively to the needs and preferences of alpha males. Sounds good to me, you know? And then if you hit learn more, you can also check out more information, as well as their white paper, which we'll check in just a second. Building together a world full of fantasies. So as you guys can see, you have multiple experiences and features here. So you have neon-soaked revelry, submerge yourself in the electric pulse of DarkLume's nightlife, where every dusk ushers in a captivating new adventure. From dazzling dance floors to exclusive virtual clubs, your evenings will be forever transformed. Sanctuary in the metaverse, soothe and replenish your digital spirit amidst the lush landscapes of DarkLume, whether it's a serene coastline sunshine, or a tranquilly garden oasis. Discover your perfect escape and bask in the serenity. And what we can see from the previews, you know, from the graphics, it looks really clean, really fresh. They also have a YouTube trailer, which I would recommend you to go ahead and watch. It contains some cool sneak peek that I watched myself, and it looks very, very nice. Ethereal flirtations, as you can see. That's another experience that they offer, as well as accumulating your digital wealth, which is what we males love the most. Gather and grow your fortune as you navigate the economic marvels of DarkLume. Your digital prosperity awaits, ready to be built and proudly displayed. Cultivate lasting bonds, as you can see, nurture lasting friendships or forge strategic alliances. In DarkLume, every interaction is an opportunity to expand your network and influence. And then produce remarkable shows, as you can see, you can host parties, events, participate in them, obviously, which is another great thing, because you can literally, you know, be here, you know, be in the metaverse, have fun without leaving your home technically, which is pretty cool if you ask me. Wield your civic power, exercise your rights as a citizen of DarkLume, vote on activities, shape the metaverse policies, and be the founder members of the community's feature, which is also pretty cool. Something like DAO, I would say, when it comes to like regular tokens. So the voting system and all of that in the metaverse to sort of, you know, shape how it will look like in the future is another great thing that they have, and I haven't seen any other metaverse have it. If you know, I mean, I am honest with you, I haven't seen any other. I don't know whether there is any other metaverse like this. If there is, you can let me know, obviously. But yeah, that's a pretty unique feature that I really like about them. Earn, prosper, and cash out, guys. Turn your virtual endeavors into real world rewards. Earn DarkLume coins through engagement and creativity, then cash out to enjoy your earnings beyond the screen. And this is pretty cool as well, because you can, you know, sort of participate in the economic life of DarkLume, and then you can make money, and you can literally like withdraw it in the DarkLume coins and cash it out to USDT and then to real money, you know what I'm saying? Explore the DarkLume VR, citizenship, and DarkLume coins. Convergence of luxury and visionary disruption in the metaverse of the alpha male. So DarkLume is their currency, that's why it has the utility, that's the token utility essentially. So that's the primary currency. Then country citizenship. Each country within DarkLume has its own citizenship. Users acquire citizenship by holding a minimum amount of DarkLume coins specific to each country. And then maintaining citizenship. To retain citizenship, users must pay taxes in DarkLume coins. That's literally like in the real world, man. Failure to do so will result in revocation of citizenship. Alrighty then. Earning and spending DarkLume coins. You can participate in many social activities, as you can see. Real world DarkLume purchases as well, using the real world currency and average users' basic income. Every user receives a regular unemployment wage in DarkLume coins, which is also pretty cool, man. Like, you know, this looks really promising. Obviously, we'll see how it will turn out. But it really does look very, very promising. You can see some of the skins here that they have, some of the developer kits, as you can see, introducing the haptic motion suit, an advanced developer kit. Experience cutting-edge technology with a physical suit that offers an immersive haptic feedback. Oh, okay. Precise motion capture and detailed biometrics integration for unparalleled virtual experiences. Okay, that's pretty crazy, actually. So I guess it's like for playing, you know what I'm saying? We have some other benefits of the token itself: discounts on digital assets, priority access, token rewards, freebies, and special offers. So the token has a lot of utilities, in fact. Study the technicals. You have information regarding the token, how much is set up for pre-sale, funding target, which is 20 million USD, not USDT, USD. Then we have the whole token distribution. So 65% goes to pre-sale, 15% to development, 10% for marketing and rewards, and 10% for liquidity, which is a very great spread out. A roadmap, guys, as you can see, which expands up to 2025 and beyond. Conceptualization and planning of DarkLume Metaverse, development of core features, initial token sale and distribution. Then we have expansion here, so they will be expanding, adding new features as well, partnerships and all of that, and then optimization and scaling. Stay in the loop, follow them on social medias. That's what I absolutely agree with them on. Go ahead and follow them, guys. All the links will be down below in the description regarding their social medias. Join the Telegram, integrate with the community, you know what I'm saying. And then same with their Twitter. As you can see, I'm following them too, because I'm really genuinely excited and interested in seeing what this will bring in the future. When it comes to their white paper, it's short. It's like more like a one-pager, I would say, but it contains all the most important things regarding the token, regarding the activities, roadmaps, and all of that, whole conclusion. and all the most important informations regarding DarkLume, guys. So if you'll be interested in exploring them, then you can head into the description of this video and find out all the informations, all the links right there. And that will be it for today, guys. Let me know what you think about DarkLume. Let me know whether you will be jumping into this one, or will you be watching how it goes. Yeah, just let me know what you think overall. I will be reading the comments and responding to them as always, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next ones coming out soon.